friends, I am starting with a case. The name of the case is Mrs. D'Souza buys the flat. Okay, Mrs. D'Souza buys the flat. That's the name of the case. This case indicates how the processes are to be integrated, because many people feel that PMBOK the processes are written and with real life is different. So let me explain this with the help of case. Enjoy the case, understand the story. So the story goes like this. Mrs. D'Souza has booked a flat in a city in Western India called Thane. The flat is almost ready. The flat is almost ready, and you are project manager on construction of that tower. That flat is in a tower. The cost of the price that Mrs. D'Souza agreed to pay is 1 crore rupees. Okay, in 1 crore rupees, she is going to get a flat. The flat is almost ready. Remember, the flat is almost ready. 90% payment she has already made as demanded by the builder. So 90 lakhs rupees she has already paid. Flat is almost ready, but not fully ready. Remaining 10 lakhs rupees she will give only on giving possession. And you are a project manager on this residential tower construction project. You receive a phone call from your program manager, your boss, who is in charge of similar towers, one tower at Thane, one tower at Wakad, one tower at Pune, and one tower at Nashik. These are 4 projects under his program. Now he calls, your program manager calls you, dear project manager, I understand Mrs. D'Souza's flat is almost ready. Hand over her the flat as quick as possible and collect the balance payment. Okay, this is the task. And I will ask Anurag Mathur to join me in the discussion. Hello, Anurag.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I have unmuted you. So, Anurag, have you understood the story?
Yes, yeah.
Mrs. D'Souza's flat, you are going to complete it as early as possible and collect last 10 lakhs rupees. So, this is the small portion of a whole project. But we are going to study now how many knowledge areas and how many processes are involved in this much work only. All right. So, Anurag, you will answer me from your common sense. Anurag, will you call Mrs. D'Souza immediately to take possession, or will you do something before you call her? Right, Anurag?
Yes, yeah. I would not call her immediately.
But you will really ensure that the flat is really complete in all
Yes.
respects, correct?
Correct.
I have said flat is almost ready. So you will ask your supervisor, dear supervisor, get everything ready and get it approved from quality department, right?
Yes.
So getting your deliverable checked from quality department is, you are going to tell him what was promised to Mrs. D'Souza must be delivered, correct?
Yes.
And what was promised is written in sale agreement. At the end, annexure, you will be given this much area flat, it will have this kind of tiles, this kind of bathroom fitting, etc. Do you know, have you seen any sale agreement of a flat?
Yes, I have. Yeah.
And do you have annexure at the end? Amenities
Yes. Yeah.
to be provided?
It is all listed down. Yes. Yes.
So what is that actually? That is nothing but a plan. What are you going to, and what are you going to check against? Actually, what is fitted?
Against the plan.
Correct? So what is supplied, what is actually fitted? Because you are going to call her for final approval. So what is this process called? Plan versus actual.
Right.
Controlling.
Controlling.
Right?
Sorry. Yes.
So the name of this process is control quality. So the first area, knowledge area we are covering is quality management knowledge area, and the process is control quality. Okay, what is control? You learned in the morning. Plan versus actual. Control quality means what is the plan and what is the actual. Okay, so plan versus actual is the control quality. All right. Now this is what you are going to do, plan versus actual. So you have called quality manager or his inspector. All right. So now I am talking to Anurag. Anurag,
Mhm.
your inspector is going to, so what will be input for this process, control quality? Input
The
for this process will be, the flat should be ready, no?
yes,
Deliverable. So deliverable is input for this process, correct? And what will come out if he says that everything is okay and he puts a checked okay. You know, you when you buy a car, you see the sticker checked okay like that, correct? That means the quality has been checked. After checking, the deliverable becomes verified deliverable. Anurag,
yes,
understood?
yeah,
So what is the input for control quality? Deliverable.
deliverable,
What is the output for control quality? Verified deliverable.
verified product. Yeah,
Yeah, and what is the tool? Inspection,
inspection.
correct? We have done one process in this, and the name or number of this process is 8.3. I have noted. Okay. Now, supposing some things are not done as per plan, we call them non-conformities. The paint is not good in master bedroom. Please give 1 second hand to the paint. Will you do that or not? If
Yes,
quality control inspector says paint is not good, then you will say, okay, give
yes,
finishing
yeah,
touches again.
yeah,
That is called correction as per the audit or correction as per inspector's report. Correct?
right.
So if the output of control processes is change request many times, okay? They will
Yeah,
ask you, paint this again, fit this washer in the bathroom, it is leaking, etc. Okay? So for all controlling process will have output as a change request. So control quality will have output change request. And once the change requests are not there, once all the defects have been repaired, you will get verified deliverable. Now we will move on to call Mrs. D'Souza. But will you call her
mhm.
and tell her, Madam, come with check. Now your flat is ready. Before that, you must get it accepted by the owner, Mrs. D'Souza, or her engineer or her representative. Correct,
Mhm. Yeah,
Anurag?
yes, that's right. Yeah,
Yeah. So you will now call Mrs. D'Souza, Madam, please come and have a look at flat. She will say, I don't know engineering. I don't know civil engineering. You don't have to know, madam. That we have taken care. Okay, all the construction as per good engineering practices we have done, but the paint, the windows, their operation, or the bathrooms, toilets and washrooms and sinks, you can have a look at it and she will come. This process is called validate scope.
mm.
She will
Okay.
come with a copy of agreement, what all,
Mm.
and she will say, I am validating. You have said that you will give 23 electrical points. She will count. Yeah, there are 23. Agreed. But she will say, you have written Jacquard fittings and you have not given Jacquard fittings in one bathroom.
Mhm.
So what is the tool she is doing? She is also using same tool,
Inspection,
inspection.
inspection. Mm.
Okay. And she also can raise non-conformities. And supposing all non-conformities are rectified, what will come out of this process called validate scope?
Change request.
Accepted. No. This time change request will come, but accepted deliverable also will come. Finally, I said no non-conformities. No, you have
Okay,
rectified
no
all that.
non-conformity. So if there are no non-conformities, yes, then it will be a final
Accepted
accepted.
deliverable. And
Yeah,
what will be input for this process? Verified
verified.
deliverable. Verified deliver. That means the quality control must happen first, and then you will invite the project sponsor or owner or his representative for formally getting your deliverable accepted. In software, the same process is called user acceptance test. Have you seen that? Many, if you have
Yes.
seen software, user acceptance test, UAT. This is the same as validate scope. So the input for validate scope is verified deliverable from control quality process output, and the output is accepted deliverable. Once Mrs. D'Souza accepts the flat, then you have done all major work for closing the project. So one more process is there. Madam, when will you come for, so that I can hand over the keys to you? Correct? So I can hand over two keys to you. Madam, when can you come? Please come on some auspicious day. And she says, okay, I will come on this coming Thursday. Thursday is a good day. Okay. Do you know why do you talk so sweetly with her? Because she's
She's a
customer.
she's a
And
stakeholder. Yeah.
remember one tool I will tell you which is not given in Pinbox, that you must always have a ice bag on your head, okay, and sugar in your mouth, always. You have sugar in your mouth, so you will say, madam, now we'll be simply happy to hand over the keys to you. Please come. And on coming Thursday, she comes. What is the process now going on? Close the project. So what will be input for close project or closed project or a phase? That is the process. What will be the input now?
Verified,
Accepted deliverable,
accepted
which
deliverable.
is output of validate scope. Okay. And the tool will be meeting. Now there is no inspection, there is a meeting. And output is final product or a service or a result. Okay. And that time, how will the meeting will go? Madam, welcome. And you will say, this is your concealed piping map so that your plumbers don't hit nails here and there. Correct? This is building occupation certificate. These are original receipts that we have preserved. This is the complete document of your flat. Okay? And madam, we all pray that you live long, many years in this flat. Not only you and next future generation, they live long. We wish you happy, prosperous, long life. Do you have to spend anything for saying these words,
No,
Anurag?
no,
No. But why do you say that? Because you got sugar in your mouth. Okay?
that that is too
And
much sugar, I suppose.
correct, correct. So you are saying that you live long. And then you give a small gift also. You give a small gift called Pieta. You know, Pieta means Mary holding Jesus in the hand. That statue is called Pieta. And if it was Mrs. Kulkarni, Anurag, what would you give gift?
Ganpati.
Ganpati. Okay. So, and now you will say, Madam, this is a small gift from you, from me, or on behalf of builder so and so, and we wish you all the best. And still, will you ask her check? No. You will say, I will accompany you till your car, or I will drop you to your home, something like that. And you will even open door for her while she is sitting in the car. Remember, you don't become small by opening door for your customer. Do you know? Customer is ultimate. He is like God for us. Okay. And then you will say, Madam, I need to collect payment. When can I come to your home for collecting, or when can I send my boy to collect payment, or when will you be able to transfer the money by NEFT? Do you understand, Anurag?
Yeah.
This is how, and she will surely say, you have done such a good work, so I will come and pay on so and so. This is how you close the project. So that, let us revise three processes: control quality, validate scope, and then close project. All right. And the input from one will go to as an output to the next process. Right, Anurag?
Yes. Yeah.
So did you see now in such a small event of handing over the flat, there are three processes have happened.